Yo, what's going on, guys? Kieran Kanyo here, back in another yo-yo tutorial. In today's tutorial, I've got this super simple tech combo for you. Once I get this yo-yo strung up, I'll show you what it looks like from my perspective. Bam. That's the whole tutorial. As you can see, it's a super short tech trick, but I think it looks quite cool. And yeah, two things for you into this video. Going to be using the Deviant Plus for this tutorial. And this video is obviously sponsored by yoyo UK, so you can head on over to their website and use code Kieran5 for 5% off. Anyway, let's get right into this tutorial. So to start off with, you're going to go over both your fingers and land into a 1.5 mount. But as you go into said 1.5 mount, you're going to want to drop that front string, this string here, off. So you're in sort of this, almost, it looks like a brother, but it's still a 1.5. Anyway, so once you're in that 1.5, you're actually going to want to put your thumb into the string as well. This will help later on. So from here, you're going to pop the yo up, and then just move it in front onto that string, and then back, like so. And that is just the first bit. So anyway, from here, you're going to roll this way, over, and then land on this front string here. Then, you're going to push the yo-yo into this top string, and move your non-throw hand under. From here, you can push the yo off the front, and make sure to roll it off. And then you're going to roll once in front of this string configuration, then roll again and land onto this string here. This is like a tower, if you didn't notice, but it's not really that deep. So what we're going to do from there is undercut with this thumb, like so, and then drop your index finger on your non-throw hand. So anyway, from this mount, what you're going to want to do is pop up and then recapture like so to get into a 1.5 mount. So to do that slowly, it'd be like this. Okay, from that 1.5 mount, you're going to drop this string again and then pinch with your index finger and middle finger on your throw hand like so. From here, you can reject the yo-yo off the back, like so. That should look like this. And then land the yo-yo onto this top string. From here, you're going to hold that pinch and drop the slack like that. And then pull this string forwards. Land the yo-yo onto that string. And then roll around into a green triangle, which can then pop from the front. And that's the whole trick. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll go over this trick one more time and then you can be on your merry way. So you go into a 1.5 mount, put your thumb in it, roll to the back, roll onto that front string, push, push, roll, roll, little tower thing, undercut, drop with your index finger, pop up, boom, pop up and recapture with your trapeze into a brother even. Then you reject, land on that string, pull the slack out, land, triangle. And yeah, that's the whole trick. If you have any, if you've enjoyed this tutorial, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, peace.